My name is Dalton Leach. I started going to Mac by continuing my education with welding technology. I took 2 years at Unitech, and the college granted me credit hours for that, and I come to Mac to finish up that degree and get a degree in business administration, both associate's degrees. About a year and a half here in the Mac, I changed from wanting to be a welder to becoming a mechanical engineer, and I'm now going to go to Missouri S&T and get my bachelor's in mechanical engineering. I got involved in cheerleading here at Mac as well by first becoming a mascot last year. I had a friend who I graduated with who cheered and got me involved in mascotting. Well, as time progressed, I come to practices for cheerleading and just saw what it was about, and the competitiveness and the just being able to excel and get better at something every day, and really fell in love with it. So this year I tried out for cheerleading and have been on the cheerleading team this year at Mac. Great experience. Any of you guys who would maybe want to do a sport but can't play baseball or can't do something like that, maybe you haven't been involved in those sports for very long or anything, man, I can almost guarantee you they're always going to be looking for male cheerleaders. It's a great opportunity. Mac has been such an inviting and warm, friendly campus. I really don't feel like I'm on some giant college where everyone turns your nose up at you and you don't know anybody, and you feel like a pebble on a beach. I really feel like I belong here. I know all the staff already, and it's such a nice, friendly environment here. I would recommend Mac to anyone looking to get a 2-year education or just start off their junior year before they head to another college. I couldn't say enough good things about it. They've just done a phenomenal job with the instructional side and just being there for you and helping you out, not feeling like a professor who doesn't care, but someone who really puts time and effort into helping you as a student and growing as a person. And it's been a great experience.